Never plant cucumbers without this if you want a real harvest. Most people make the mistake of thinking cucumbers only need water and sun to grow well, and that's why every year they repeat the same problem. The plants start off nicely, then suddenly stop, the leaves lose their color, and the yield ends up smaller than it could be. But there's one reason that is rarely mentioned. The problem actually starts much earlier, at a stage when the plant still looks perfect. That's when it decides how much it will produce later. If it doesn't get the right support at that moment, it will never reach its full potential. There is a simple combination you can make at home, but interestingly, most people have never heard of it. And even more importantly, when they try it, they make one small mistake that prevents them from seeing real results. So pay close attention until the end. The first ingredient may sound unusual, but it plays an important role. Take 1 tablespoon of rice and grind it into a fine powder. At first glance, it doesn't seem special, but it actually stimulates activity in the soil. When microorganisms become active, the plant can absorb nutrients more easily and develop a stronger root system. Pour the powder into 500 ml of hot water. This is a good foundation, but without the next ingredient, it won't reach its full effect. Take a banana peel and cut it into small pieces. Many people throw this away, but this is where something important is hidden. Bananas are rich in potassium, and potassium directly affects fruit development. Without it, cucumbers can grow, but they won't perform at their best. Now we come to the ingredient that gives the fastest boost at the beginning, but many people don't use it. Add 1 tablespoon of alfalfa. This plant is a rich source of nitrogen, which promotes growth and gives the plant energy to develop. Nitrogen is crucial in the early stage because it drives fast leaf and green mass development, allowing the plant to later produce strong growth and high-quality fruits. After this, cucumbers often look stronger and grow faster. This is where many people make a mistake. They don't leave the mixture long enough for the ingredients to release their nutrients into the water. That's why you should let it sit for 2 days. Then strain it and dilute with another 500 ml of water. There's one more thing most people get wrong. Don't overuse it. About 50 ml every 10 days is enough. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this recipe. See you in the next video.